Hey everyone, and welcome to the 28th video of this playlist in which I will show you 30 CSS properties in 30 days. In this video we will explore the property of lines and also one more property we will see which is based on letter. Okay, so let's start. Before starting this video, hit the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to Techie Web Dev and press all notifications so you will never miss any future videos. Now let's continue with our topic. Start the video. Okay, so first of all, let's see the property of line, and first property which we will see is line height. So as the name suggests, it will let you change the height of the line. So for example, if I will just write 20 pixel here, and if I save it, you can see here the line height is now 20 pixel, and it like somewhat seems that the both are overlapping. Okay, so what if I will given the value of 200 here, let's see, and as you can see here the height is now 200 pixel. And what if I will give it a value of 0? So let's see, as you can see here, as we are expecting, the line height is 0 and all the words are now overlapping. Okay, so this is what happens if you have given the line height equal to 0. So that's all about line height. Let's see one more property, and let's see the letter property which I was talking about, that is letter spacing. Okay, first of all let me just comment this out. Alright, so now as the name suggests, letter spacing, it will let you change the space or change the gap of individual between the individual letters. Let's say I have given 20 pixel here and save it. As you can see here, the gap between individual letter is now 20 pixel. Let's say I have given 200, so as you can see here it is now 200 pixel. Okay, which is not looking great. Okay, so you can use it to make your like a heading or something. As you can see here, this 10 pixel is looking something good. Okay, so you can like use this in your website to make a heading or something like more attractive. Alright, so that's letter spacing. Now let's see one more property of line, which is line break. Okay, so to understand it, first of all let's decrease the width of this p tag. Okay, I will just write 100 pixel. Okay, so the width now here is 100 pixel. Okay, so let's say I will write anywhere. Okay, in line break I will write anywhere and I will save it. First of all let's see what is looking like in 100 width. Okay, so this is width 100, and as you can see here, this let me just to understand it more better, I will also define it a border, give it a border. Okay, let's say solid that. Alright, so as you can see here, this awesome and tutorial are overflowing the box. So to fix this, okay, I will write line break anywhere, and if I just save it now, you can see there is no overflowing, and the awesome and tutorial are just fit inside the box. Okay, so you can use this in this kind of situations. Okay, so I hope you learn something new here, and that's it for this video guys. I will see you in the next one.